Hi guys, it's Jason here from Godlike Productions again. I'm just going to quickly run through how to use the H9000 Preset Tool. So I've had a few questions about this. So the first thing that we need to do, if you haven't installed, so I'll take you through the whole process. So if you haven't installed the tool as yet, what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is install gzip, and there's a link in the guide for where to get that, but it's a basically new win32.sourceforge.net/downlink/gzip.php, and that will download the gzip package. So you just need to install this. We just stick it in the default directory, which is in here. There's the one that you need, so I'll just copy that. Next, and next, and install. Okay, once that is done, you need to right click on the Windows icon, which is down here, and then you need to select System. So I'm not sure, hang on, let me just redo this because you can't quite see it in the window. I'll move these windows around a little bit as we do it. So right click, go up to System. Okay, just bring this back down. I think it's under Advanced System Settings. Right, so you should get this window here up. And then on the Advanced tab, we need to go to the Environment Variables down here. Then the lower window, we need to go down, we need to select Path. And then we can press Edit. And then we got to go down to New to get a new line. And we need to put in the path to that program that we just installed. Okay, so we'll just double check to make sure that's right. So see, program files, and then new WinZip32 or Win32. Except we need to go into the bin directory, so it's this one here. So while we're in here, /bin, and then another slash, hit enter, and then you should be able to press OK, OK, and OK. Okay, so that has installed gzip, and we've now set up a path so that the Windows system can access this program from whenever it's called. Okay, so that's all we need there. Okay, so we can get out of this page here now. All right, you'll see I've got the H9000 Preset Tool here. I've got basically this, I've set this folder up just for this, basically this video example that we're running through. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do, we've got the algorithm here. So it's a 9KA file. All right, so if we go over to our look. Okay, let me see that window. Yep. Okay. So to install the algorithm, we go to algorithm, we go import algorithm. Now we need to go and find that. So I've got that stored on my D drive, here, under H9000, and I've got one called video examples. Okay, so this is the algorithm here. So let's select that. Okay, you'll see that we've just installed this to 10137. Okay, so this is the important number that we need to know, 10137. Okay, and you'll see that, so at the moment, we've got no presets on this one here. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is let's unzip all of our presets. So I just right click and we go extract all, and we'll extract them all into preset pack 1. And we'll do the same with preset pack 2. Extract all. I'll put them in the same folder. Okay, so this is all the contents of the file. Yeah, the 2 manuals for the presets are here, so we don't need those for what we're going to do. You can leave them there if you want, but I'm just going to delete them for simplicity of what we're doing. Okay, so this is all of these are all of the presets for the stereo flanger. Okay, so the next thing that we do is we run this H9000 Preset Tool. Okay, sometimes you get this thing up, so run anyway. Yep. Okay, so this is the H9000 Preset Tool. So what we want to do is we want to go scan. And it opens up a browser box, so we want to go into that directory that we were just in. Video example, and we want to look in this one here. So we go select folder, all right, and it's got the preset pack here. Then what we go is to read the info. Right, so these are all of the presets that are in that folder that we just had. And you'll see that they got stereo flanger 1, so all of them are for this thing, for this particular algorithm. Now you'll see in here that it's got a number 1018. So that is where, when I originally wrote this program, or when I originally wrote this algorithm, that was where it was originally installed. So if I go up here, you'll see that it's 10108. So that's where it was originally installed. So we've just installed another one at 10137. So what we need to do is, the 101 stays the same. We need to change the algorithm number to 37. Press enter, that's important, because if you don't press enter, it doesn't register. Right, once we've done that, we press execute. Okay, and it shows you where they're converted. So it's under this folder that we're just in, and you'll see that now they're now called converted. So we go okay. Right, we don't need this tool anymore. So if we go back into the preset pack 1 now, you'll see there's a set called converted here. So these are all of the new presets. So now we can preset open. We go down to, I've forgotten where I'm going to. 9000 video example. Do the next one. Oops, I did the wrong. I did the wrong one. I need to go into converted. Oops. So if we go deep forbar. All right, you see we've got deep 4-bar up here. And then what we need to do is we need to save to the H9000, so deep 4-bar. Okay, and you'll see that now appears here as a preset. So if we go to presets, you'll see that we've got one there. Now you can do them one by one, I think, or can we just drag these onto there? No. The other way of doing it is that you can plug this into, you can actually save this to a USB drive and plug them into the H9000 and import them that way. But yeah, essentially what we need to do is we just need to open each of these presets. Where are we? 1000 video example, preset path unconverted. All right, and then we can just save to the H9000, and it's already got the name there. Just go save. All right, you can see that we've got both those presets in there. So that's pretty much the way that we just load the presets in. Yeah, so you just need to follow that. I guess follow that procedure and just load all the presets in one at a time. Now you only need to do this once you've got them in. Of course they just show up here, and then you just double click them and you've got them selected like that. So yeah, that's the installation procedure for, or how to use the H9000 Preset Tool and how to install your presets into the correct place. You'll see that one that I made a mistake on before. If we go down to 101.08, you'll see, oh, I don't think I didn't actually save it there. But if you don't do the conversion, it tries to save them to whatever preset or whatever number the algorithm was originally set to when the algorithm was created. Now this is only applicable for custom algorithms. So anything that's above ID 10,000, you'll need to use this procedure for. Anything that's below that, so all the factory ones have got set numbers. So if when I put out presets on factory algorithms, you won't need to run this preset tool. You just open them up and install them as we've done here. If that's still a little bit unclear, let me know. If you want me to go through how to load it into the H9000 from the front panel, let me know that as well. That'll take a little bit of setting up because I'm going to have to set a camera up on the H9000, which is down to my right. I haven't got one set up there, so I can basically take you through the same sort of procedure there. But it's written out in the manual, so if you read the manuals that come with the preset tool, and it comes with every algorithm that I've released, you'll see that there's a detailed instruction there on how to install the presets into the H9000. And yeah, so you've got, there's three methods of doing, or two methods for presets, three methods for the algorithms, depending on whether or not a V6's been released. But yeah, this is the way to do preset. It would be nice if we could, load presets en masse. That would certainly be great, but they haven't implemented that yet. But I might see if I can make a request for that to be available for us all to make things a little bit easier. But I hope that clears up how we save, or first of all, how to use the H9000 Preset Tool. So, or how to install it, how to use it, and then how to install these algorithms onto your H9000 so that you've got them there, for use. If you ever need to get rid of these rhythms, the first thing you need to do is you need to delete the presets. You can't delete an algorithm if it's still preset. So see, it hasn't got a preset now. If I try and delete this, oh, it did delete it. Oh, there you go. Anyway, so that's how you delete it. I tried to do that before and it wouldn't let me delete. Wouldn't let me delete something that had presets. So yeah, it's not letting me delete that one either. Anyway, I hope that clears up everything that you need to do around this. Thanks for the request for clarification on how to do this. I've got a whole bunch more algorithms on the way. I've just got to do the tutorial videos and get all the preset packs together for them so they won't be far away. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.